Hi guys, welcome back to IFX Academy's daily analysis on pound USD. Weekly analysis, guys. Last week we were selling this, and we are almost halfway to our target. So, guys, what are we going to do next week? That is the question. And guys, the answer remains the same as last week. We are still sellers, and as long as the price stays below 1.34684, guys, we are still bears, and we still keep on selling this. And guys, we have hit the first support area, which is located at 1.33553. Okay, guys, and the next target would be, guys, 1.32860. So, guys, we keep on selling this, same as last week. Nothing to add here much. And guys, if we break above this, we keep buying, and our target would we start buying, and our target would be, guys, the previous high located at 1.35662. So, wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.